following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. There have been reports of temperatures dropping across the country out of nowhere. In addition, there have also been reports of the sky dimming when it isn't nighttime. There are rumors suggesting that the heat death of the universe will happen, but are currently unconfirmed. NASA is currently looking into the situation and will relay an update once they find the cause. No emergency action is needed at this time, but all residents of the United States are advised to remain vigilant. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WMFY. We will continue to serve the Winston-Salem metropolitan area. If you are not in this area, tune out to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Winston-Salem metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NASA has confirmed that the heat death of the universe is happening. This is the reason why temperature drops have been happening, as well as other natural disasters happening. Natural disasters caused by the heat death include, but are not limited to tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, flash floods, tsunamis, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides, hurricanes, and dust storms. The heat death of the universe is expected to kill all life on Earth within the next hour. This is also expected to destroy all matter within the universe. There is no place to evacuate or escape from this cataclysm. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode if you want to. Gather with loved ones, such as family and friends, and await the final moments of life on Earth. Give your final remarks before the end approaches. Do not tell children under 16 years old what is going on, and gather them with you as well. Ensure their well-being during these dark times. If you are a religious person, pray to your higher being or beings, and repent for any sins. The President of the United States has selected a verse of the Bible to be played on the air one last time. Psalm 91, 1-2. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High, who abides in the shadow of the Almighty, will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. This station will sign off for one last time with the playing of the national anthem. After this alert, all TV, radio, and internet services will be disconnected for the final time. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America.
Oh, say, can you see?